Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Route 9 Johnny here. Today, Saturday, February 15. It's about 4:15 in the afternoon. 17 degrees at the moment. Winds south-southeast. 3 to 8 miles an hour, I'd say. And the storm is a-coming. Batten down the hatches. Just want to show you what it looks like up here on Route 9. Roads are just starting to get dusty. You can see behind me there. That's looking into Bennington. Definitely dusty. There's been some reports just west of Woodford State Park that there's a serious frost heave there. 18-wheelers and snowmobilers, be careful, be on your toes. You could bottom out if you're not careful. Also, just to remind everybody, there's a lot of crossings on this Route 9 with snowmobilers. So don't go speeding. You might have a snowmobiler in front of you. That's it. Possibly snow, mixtures with ice. It's not going to be pretty up here on the mountain tonight. I would pass this warning on to anybody that you know that uses this Route 9, especially tonight. It's not going to be a night to be up here. So please pass this on. They expect anywhere from 4 to 8 inches. So keep that in mind, folks. Let me show you the road. All right, this is behind me. That's into Bennington. You can see the roads are already looking kind of bad. All right, I'm going to swing around, look into Wilmington. Bad that way, too. Okay, get away. Here comes the car. All right, slip test. Not bad, not bad. Thank you. Oh, look who's here. We got Ruby. And the Katie. All right, folks, this is Route 9 Johnny from the top of Woodford Mountain. Bend down the hatch, take it slow. Remember, drive slow and arrive alive. Stay off the mountain, go home. Be safe.